The voice is light, and whenever we're speaking or whenever we're singing and expressing through the voice, it should try to be positive. I started taking an interest in helping others at an early age. They were coming to my room if I was in a boarding school for guidance in almost like a counseling way. They said, I only will talk to Jackie. They trusted me with their heart. I'm really grateful that I'm honoring my calling of trying to help others through music. I made a habit of being happy, and even though we're human beings and we have to have contrast and experience hard things too, I just learned to let it take its course. So I'm making the sound of the heartbeat.
What we do with our mom is a very special bonding experience that mother and son can have with each other, because it's the passing of the torch from one generation to another. And that's how you can ensure that you will never be destroyed as a person. You can carry yourself on through other people. You just gotta touch the hearts of the young ones. Do you have anything you want to say?
I don't know, I'm trying to think of that. It's been incredibly rewarding to be performing this long. You know, it's this love that I can't help but share. It's just that powerful, I can't keep it to myself. One thing that I really learned from growing up with our mom is, you know, all of life is a performance. When we connect with the humanness of people, that's what performance is. We're connecting in that way. I think I said all that I need to.
World peace and global healing.
Think of that.
Okay.